Hi, it's Simon here from Adventure Series. Today we're going to look at this new MIG welder that I've just bought. It's a Paton StandardMIG 160 from Ukraine. I haven't used it yet, but I've just unboxed it and putting it together, so I'm going to give you a bit of a show round, give you my initial thoughts. So just a little quick look round. It's not on at the moment. I'll just take you around it so you can have a look. See all the fixtures and fittings, and we'll go through those in a minute. So the first thing to note is that on the unboxing there's a couple of things that aren't ideal, if I'm honest. That was one. Firstly, the socket. It came with a European socket on there with no adapter, nothing like that, so I had to cut off the plug and put on a new UK plug. Not great. I mean, for the want of 50p or something for putting a UK plug on, so that's not ideal. Second one was, it comes with, this is the gas hose, pretty cheap gas hose. This end comes with this here, but not on the pipe, not clipped. So I had to go out and buy some pipe clips and add that on myself. So that was, it just seems unnecessary. It's coming with this anyway. It's being shipped with this, but it's not being shipped with a pipe clip, so you can't add it. You have to go and get your own pipe clips. It just seems crazy for the want of what? It's literally probably 5p's worth of clip. And then the reason I haven't used it yet is because this end does come assembled of the gas pipe. This is the one that goes onto the bottle. This is leaking. So this connector here that they put on there isn't very good, so that's leaking. And it's pretty crappy pipe anyway. So not a great start from that side. However, the rest of it is looking pretty good. It's a MIG, TIG and MMA welder, so you can do all three of those. It comes with a proper gun, Euro gun, etc. You can take off. It's got a, you can see here, it's got a pivoting mechanism here, which is handy. It's got a ball and socket there, which is great. You've got controls of obviously the power and on this side of the wire speed, not on at the moment. And then if we just flip the box, it's got nice, easy to get at wire control. Oops. And it can take up to 15 kilograms of wire, so quite big ones. And the mechanism here looks pretty good. The other sort of, I guess, other complaint I would have is this manual. You might as well chuck it away. It's not even badly translated from Ukrainian. It's actually just bad. There's hardly any diagrams. There isn't a single diagram that shows you how to feed this and get this working. Now, if you've never used a MIG welder before, and I've only used a very basic one before, this is all foreign to me, so I didn't know how to do it. And there is literally nothing in the manual that tells you. Couldn't find any YouTube videos around this specific brand, etc., and how to do this. Anyway, figured it out in the end. It's not that complicated, but it would have been nice to have it in the manual. You've got inside here, you've got a little kind of feed for the wire to fit onto. This comes out, this bit here, this round circle thing comes out, and you've got another one in the box for bigger wire. So this is for 6.6 and 0.8, and the one in the box is for 1 and 1.2. This being round this way means that actually the one that the wire's running through is the 0.8. It's little things like that you have to figure out because it's not in the manual and it's not clear. And again, I'm sure if you've used welders before, that's all normal, and it's not, nothing different there. But if you haven't, like me, then actually you're in the process of having to figure it out yourself, which is not ideal. But yeah, all in all, I think reasonable apart from those few things. And for 540 quid, I'd expect it to have the correct plug socket on it, the gas fitting to be already fitted, little pipe clips to be provided, etc. The rest of it all looks good quality. So we'll give it a go and see how we get on.